Welcome to the Daily Market Review brought to you by OptionsClick.
Hello and welcome to our look at the July 14th trading session. I have the economic calendar in front of you, and you can see that we do have a few interesting announcements coming up. We have the CPI and the PPI coming out of Great Britain, as well as PPI coming out of Switzerland. So that can move the FTSE, the pound, and the franc. We have the U.S. Releasing core retail sales. That, of course, is a stock market moving event. And we also have the German ZU economic sentiment, which is a DAX and Euro moving event. On top of that, we have the Greeks, at least in a sense, accepting the terms of the creditors. We still have to get through the parliamentary vote, but that should go through. So we could have quite a bit of volatility in this session. That being said, the Americans evidently seem to like the idea of Greece coming back into the fold, because we initially fell in the S&P and then shot straight up. So, good sign, really. We believe that short-term pullbacks in the S&P 500 are call buying opportunities and should be taken advantage of, considered to be value. Gold markets fell during the session, but again, the 1150 level below offers support. So we bounced slightly. We think short-term charts may offer short-term call buying opportunities. Very short-term, though. You're literally scalping the market at this point. Interestingly enough, the euro did rally initially, as you would expect, on news of the Greeks accepting the terms, at least in a preliminary sense, but we turned right back around and sold off. That's pretty ugly, really. If we get below this candle here, which is essentially the 1.09 level, we'll start buying puts hand over fist. In the meantime, we're looking for a short-term chart that looks like a bounce. We just don't have one yet. This is the daily chart, of course. So be on the lookout for support between here and 1.09, as it could represent a nice bounce call buying opportunity. With that, we've taken a look at the July 14th trading session.
This review is brought to you by OptionsClick, the most trusted binary options broker.